English conversation. Introduce yourself in English. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started.
Hi,
Hi, what is your name?
my name is Brown. And what is your name?
I am Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am good.
Where are you from?
I am from London. And you?
I'm from Spain.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old. How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in London. Where do you live?
I live in Spain, but I have a tour in California.
What do you do?
I am a teacher. I work at a school. What do you do?
I work at the bank. I am a general manager.
What does your father do?
My father works at a college. He is a professor.
That's great.
What do your parents do?
My father works at a shop, and my mother is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 younger brothers and 1 elder sister.
Great. I have just one younger brother.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies?
I like hang out with friends and playing video games. Thank you, Mr. Brown. I am hurry up. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching this video.